I worked on the many things like implementation and support for the different locations, different projects, and worked on the lot of integration customizations. Okay, so from the Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management, I'm dealing with a number of projects with the different clients and different locations. So this is what myself, I worked on the modules of inventory, procurement, order management, product management, and costing. Sometimes some manufacturing scenarios also I'm working on this. Okay, this is what the brief introduction about myself. Let's coming to the today's demo session. It's a fantastic and wonderful session. By end of the session, I will get that feel. Why? Because from 25A onwards, 25A onwards, the Oracle is provided a lot of new features. Okay, most of the people don't know about that, but who is already in the market, they know a little things about this. Anyway, we can do it one by one. And what is supply chain management, and why I need to choose only for Oracle ERP. So all these questions, and you will be getting the more clarity about this application and what is the purpose of this. Okay, let's start with so Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management, we call it as a shortcut SCM, SCM, Supply Chain Management. For this training, or if you are assessing you are eligible or not, so basically for this training, and if you want to go for job based on this training, the minimum qualification is so please remember this minimum qualification about degree. About degree nothing means anything. BBA, BA, BSc, BCom, MBA, MBA, MSc, MA, PhD, MTech, BTech, anything, MCA, any degree, about degree. If you have this qualification, you are eligible of this training and placements also. And one more thing is a communication. See, this is one of the important asset, and this is one of the important quality. Okay, the companies are expected from us. Why? Because you are the functional consultant. Your role is functional consultant. Functional consultant. Once you place the companies, if you go to the companies, they are call it as a functional consultant. If you have a more than 5 years, you become a senior functional consultant. So below that, you are the functional consultant. So functional consultant needs a communication, because sometimes we are dealing with customers and we can get the scenarios and we will know about what is their issues, and we need to know about what is their business functionality. Okay, for that we need a minimum communication, and qualification is about degree. If you have these two qualities, okay, then you are coming into the functional consultant. Okay, this is what I expected before going to this training. If you have good sufficient of this, then you are 100% eligibility of this. Oracle only means the Oracle is the standard one. It will be user friendly. It will be the user friendly. There is no any security issues for this. Okay. It's a complete safe ERP. Okay, safe ERP. ERP nothing but this is a ERP application. We are going to train on ERP application. ERP nothing but enterprise resource planning. Okay, enterprise resource planning. So why these enterprise resource plannings are implemented? Business. Business nothing but client. Client. If you take a Tata, if you take a Reliance, if you take a other logistics and transports, right? If you take Amazon or Flipkart or Swiggy, Zomato, Rapido, you take anything, that's all about the businesses. That's all businesses. For their businesses, the smooth transactions, transportations, availability, visibilities. For this, they are using these supply chain management applications. Okay, so supply chain management application, this is coming to the picture of business, how the business is using this. Now, let's assume I'm taking for one example. Okay, so I'm not going in depth about this application, just a business perspective where this supply chain management is coming to picture. Why they are implemented this Oracle Fusion application. Okay, so I'm giving a small, a brief cycle of the business. Okay, let's take the Amazon. Amazon, you all know about that Amazon. How we know Amazon? We know Amazon Prime Videos. We know Amazon e-commerce, right? So there is a lot of businesses are there from the Amazon. Okay, let's assume that Amazon e-commerce. Okay, Amazon e-commerce. So now Amazon is buying this supply chain management application from Oracle. Okay. So now Amazon have a lot of business processes. They have their own warehouses. Okay. They have their own processes. Their own employees are there. Okay. Their own procurement team is there. Okay. Now let's assume that. Now you are the customer. You are the customer. You are means you only. You are the customer. You book a laptop. Like this is the mandatory product, right? You book a laptop from Amazon e-commerce website, right? So once you book the laptop, can you guess that? Once you book the laptop, what is the next minute you are getting a message? Once you book the laptop? Anyone? Once
Your order is placed successfully.
Sorry?
We get the notification from Amazon or e-commerce.
Your order is created
placed
and
successfully.
this is your order, right? So you get an order. Order number created. So once order number is created, so you are getting what is the expected delivery date. Okay, that is all things will be in application in your mobile application, Amazon level, it is there. Once order number is created, what happened? Next message. What is the next message? You are getting the next message. Order shipped from so and so warehouse or something, right? So order is shipped. Once order is shipped, right, then what happened? Order out of delivery. That means your order will be delivered today or something. Once order is delivered, what is the message you are getting? Delivered, right? So this message you are getting from different situations. Once order delivered, if you are not paying, okay, this is for cash on delivery. So what happened? You pay the amount, okay, your payment process. Once the payment process is completed, you get a receipt, right? You get a receipt, pay your payment receipt, right? This is what the process which is following for the Amazon sales order. Now, let's assume that. So clear? Any doubts on this? This is small assumption how the Amazon is following for their sales. Okay. Now, so in the back end, you are getting only a simple message like order is created, order is shipped, order is delivered to today. Okay, order is delivered. This is all about the small messages you are getting in your mobile. But in backend, there is a lot of processes coming into the picture. Lot of processes coming into the picture, but you don't know about that. Once order is created, what happened? So here, this Amazon employees, Amazon warehouse employees, we call it as a warehouse employees. So in the warehouse, different persons are there, right? So once order is created, so immediately in their systems, the order is created and order is booked for so and so customer. They are getting a notifications. Once order is created, in the back end, what happened? They are picking the material. Okay. So the reservation is happened. So and so laptop, Dell laptop or something. So for that, reserve that material. System is automatically reserve the material, right? So after reservation, so one of the warehouse employees going to their location and pick the material. So once they are picking the material, they cannot directly shipping the material, right? Okay, what happened? They are packing the material. Once packing the material, then it is coming into the shipping, right? Shipping the material. So after shipping, what is the next step? Logistics received the material. Once logistics are received the material, then delivery agents are deliver. There are delivery agents are getting the material from logistics. Logistics means where the material comes into the receiving level. Okay, then order is delivered. See, up to now, so delivery and everything here it is there, but here you can see there is a back end, lot of process is going on. I don't want to recommend you to do all these processes, but as a functional consultant, you need to configure the system level. You need to configure the system level setups and make it for the smooth transaction about all this. That is what our role. So we need to do it for the reservations, but manually we don't want to do it, but system automatically do the reservations on behalf of the sales order or your booking. Okay, all this is a supply chain processes. Okay, this is one thing, one process. This we call it as a sales order related. Now, you got some idea about why I am explaining all this. Now, let's. So, Amazon is maintaining all these laptops. Okay. Amazon cannot manufacturing the laptops. See, please follow this. Amazon is not manufacturing the laptops. So Amazon is purchasing the laptops from different suppliers. Now, Amazon purchase activity, purchase process. Okay. So for these sales orders, how Amazon is selling these laptops? Somewhere they are buying the material, right? Amazon business is somewhere they are buying the material. Okay, from Dell distributor or Dell manufacturer or Lenovo manufacturer, whatever that laptops or suppliers, they are getting the material from suppliers. Now, Amazon is getting the laptop from Dell supplier. He is supply the material to Amazon. Okay, so what happened? Here, Amazon is purchased the laptop from Dell supplier. For this purchasing process, what happened? They created a requisition. Requisition, nothing but request. Okay, first create a request to the organization. So and so material is not available our warehouse, Amazon warehouse. First, they create a requisition. We call it as a request. Create a request. After request, so the purchase order is created on behalf of the supply request. So then once purchase order is created, then it goes for the approvals. Once it is approved, supplier supply the material. Once supplier is supply the material, then warehouse is received the material, right? Received the material. Okay, so they are putting their locations. Okay, if there is any racks or rows are there, the warehouse employees are putting this material in their warehouse. Now, so here you can see Amazon is purchasing the laptop by this process. So for this process of chain or supply chain, you are the functional consultant. You need to set up this. There is no any coding. There is no any SQL queries or something, right? So you just go and do it for the setups. Where you need to do the setups, application level, not for in their warehouses. Okay. Now the laptop is coming to Amazon warehouse. I call it as Amazon Hyderabad warehouse. Okay. Now Amazon Hyderabad warehouse is received the material. Received the material from supplier. Okay. Supplier. Once Amazon warehouse is received the laptops. Okay. Same laptop. So here they received the material from supplier and they are maintaining the stock in warehouse. So maintaining the stock in warehouse is not a business. What happened? Immediately Amazon is start the sales, right? So Republic Day sales or big day sales, Indian sales, they're giving a lot of sales, right? Okay. So by using their strategies of plannings, they are started for sales. So once the sales are coming into the picture, same process is coming into the here. Okay. This is Hyderabad warehouse related. The laptop is received in their warehouses. In these warehouses, lot of material is coming to the warehouse and lot of material is come out for the warehouse. So all these transactions are maintaining at their warehouse level by using a different transactions, different inventory transactions. For that, they are using for inventory. So purchasing the suppliers, for that, they are using for procurement. For creating the sales, they are using for order management. Okay, these all are the integrated modules in Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management. Integrated modules. Okay, once material is received from supplier, automatically inventory level on hand quantity is increased. Okay, inventory level on hand quantity is increased. Then once on hand quantity is increased, okay, so Amazon e-commerce level, the on hand quantity is on stock. See, sometimes if you go to the Amazon, so only one left, only one product is left, right? Some such type of messages are coming. How that things are coming? By using these ERP applications. Okay, there is a lot of ERP applications, SAP, Salesforce, and Microsoft Dynamics. Lot of things are there, but Oracle is evergreen ERP. Most of the customers, because this is a US product, okay, most of the customers, they think about that security level. It's a very high standards are maintained. The Oracle is maintaining the high standards. Okay, so this is what a small introduction how the business is coming into the picture. So for this, Amazon is maintaining purchasing, okay, and once the purchasing, whatever the material they are purchasing, they want to store in warehouse, right? For that, they are maintaining inventory. Okay, once inventory is coming into the stock, they are started with order management. So here once the order management and all this transaction, there is a cost for laptop cost from the supplier side, it is 20,000. So whenever the inventory is coming, it is automatically 25. Once the sales order is started from Amazon, they are giving the discount, with the discount all things, they are selling for 28,000. Right? This is how the business is getting the profit. Okay. Now, for this maintaining of this type of accountings and cost distributions, they are maintaining the costing, right? Costing. Based on this costing, how many sales are happens and what is the discounts we need to applying. There is a lot of things are there, planning related, demand planning, lot of things are there. Okay, here we are going to try new on the purchasing, inventory, order management, costing. These all are the supply chain modules, the core modules. Okay, now we are going to try new purchasing, inventory, order management, costing with business real-time scenarios. Why? Because today in the interview points, they are asking for what is the business scenario, what is the real-time scenarios, everything. As we are the implementation and support level, we know about what is the businesses and what is the issues they are coming into the pictures and how we can resolve those issues. So all these things are discussed in this training. It's not only the training, it's also for the discussion of businesses, discussion of business issues, and why the business is implemented this application in their business processes. Okay, we are going to dealing all this. Okay, the majority of the scope, the people are thinking about that. If I am going to train on this, what is the job market? Job market is always be evergreen for Oracle, but only skilled professional needs to required. Okay, not for like joining of classes and doing your work. That's not a workable. Okay, even that can be not be working over here, because if you are really focusing on that, there is a lot of market. Even in my company, 10 positions are there. Very small company, 10 positions are required, but nobody is there in the market. Skilled supply chain management consultants. If I want to recommend something, someone, they need to perform at least, right? So that is the reason we are expected for skilled professionals. If you go any software trainings, this is the must needs to be required to performing your job. Okay. And to continue that job for a long time, you need a must understanding skills and logical and analytical skills is must be required. So if these qualities, if we have, then you are 100% perfect. You will be placing for a good companies. Right. So now coming to the application level. So I just want to introduce application also here. Okay. So the application is like this. You can see here, application is this. Okay. There is a lot of, this is the navigation where we can start. See, for example, I want to create a requisition. Okay. Where procurement is there. Just end user is going to here and click on this and create a requisition. Okay. So this is what end user is created a requisition. End user nothing but you are the functional consultant. You are implemented the application to their business. Now the business people are using your processes, whatever the process, requisition creation, purchase order creation, everything, they are going to use these processes. Okay. So we cannot do it. I think there is access. Okay. The procurement related purchase orders. See, suppliers, how you can configure the suppliers. Just go to here, suppliers. So this terminology is a very familiar terminology. Oracle is using the familiar terminology, not for complicated terminology. You all know suppliers. This word is not for a difficult word. Okay. Purchase. You are purchasing. Purchase word is that familiar word. Okay. So here, just click on this, create a supplier. If you click on this, you'll get now what happened. What is that? Amazon supplier or else Amazon laptop supplier. Okay. So just this is all about understandings. I'll tell you and the training level how so we can do it. What is the differences, all these things I'm giving a very clear in-depth about that businesses. Just click on create. Under this creation, there is a lot of things are coming into the pictures. So that will be coming into the training level. There is no SQL codings or anything. Okay. Just have some knowledge about what this is a task list. This is a home page. This is the favorites. This is for any, you are seeing just now something, right? So you are getting that. This is the notifications. This is a logout and login screen. Logout and login. If you log out this, click on logout. Right. Again, if you want to log in, this is a URL link. So, okay. On the training level, we are sending this URL. Okay. You need to create your own logins and you can log in yourself. Okay. If you click on this login, you need to enter your login credentials. We will provide it for that. Okay. So you need to enter over here and getting for the password. Once you enter that, okay, your details, you enter this, just click on here. This is a cloud application. It is not required any your laptop software installations, and those things are not required for this working. This application is a cloud application. Okay. So I want to create one item, laptop item. Just go to here, product. See, product, you all know about the product. The terminology is the product, or call it as item, right? So just click on this. So compare to other applications, the Oracle application is very easy. What my experience, because we know this, but terminologies and those things are very easy. So now create item. Click on this. Just select on master organization. We'll explaining what is the master organization, all those things. Okay. Now what is our item? Laptop item. Laptop. Okay, this is a Dell laptop or something. Okay. Dell laptop. The description, Dell, what is the configuration, what is all those things. If you want to description more on this, you can give it. If you want to take AI, see, advanced artificial intelligence is also coming into over here. Okay, if you click on this, okay, the system is giving about the Dell related format description. Let's see. So there is a lot of things. See, product information. Dell is a powerful mission designed for them. See, we are not giving anything. If you want to accept this, click on this. See, all the product related information. Any conditions you are applying this? Nothing. You just click on this button and make it for your description. If any long description is there, okay, long description about the product and everything, okay, you can maintain over here. Okay, click on save. You already know about save and submit, all those things in your mobile also. It is a feasibilities, right? Okay, save and close that son. Now the product is created. So where we can see this product, it is created or not, go to the manage items and see what is that we are created. Dell laptop. Now Dell laptop is there. Okay, by using this Dell laptop, we can do the transaction. We can maintain the purchase orders and we can do the inventory activities. We can do it. All the sales orders and everything. This is the product related. Okay. Sales related, order management. See here, order management. Okay. How to create order? Just click on order management. Click on order management. See, once you understanding the logics, you are getting very easy on this. Okay. Nothing need to be a more difficulty this. So now, what is the business unit? Which business unit is created this sales order? Who is the customer? For example, you are the customer. Okay. The customer's information is already set up in the application. The business units already set up into the applications. Okay. Directly the order line. What is the order? Something I'm giving this. Okay. One seeded one.
Hello.
Okay.
Sorry for the interrupt.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Who's this?
Shantraj here.
Yeah.
Actually, you told customer already it will be by system default or we need to create?
No, we are not created. The customers related finance team is created. We are the supply chain management. We cannot create it. Okay. Suppliers we will create.
Okay.
Okay. Customers are AR team is take care about that. AR means account receivability.
Okay.
Okay. So everything, see, customer is something like the business is coming over here and they can directly create one sales order and selecting this customer and entering this item and submit. That is what their business, right? They don't want to go for setups. They don't want to go for configurations. They don't know about that. We know that. We are the persons. We can give this application to business with smooth transactions. Now I'm submitted, sales order is created. Right. So for this smooth transaction, our functionality is we need to configure all this: order management, inventory management. Okay. So where the inventory management, you can see here, supply chain execution, inventory management. Here, how many material is there in our inventory? What is the, which shipment awaiting for? So one of the sales order is coming into the pictures. It is waiting for shipping. Okay, the business is seeing this screen and is expected that, okay, receiving things are there here. Okay, shipment is 15 to 30 days. One value is there. We need to immediately ship this. Okay, on prioritization, they are shipping this. Okay, this is awaiting for picking the material from warehouse. Okay, they are immediately open this. Okay, they are ready to ship that material. Okay, there is a lot of things and a lot of setups which is coming into the pictures, but end to end, if you are attending this training, end to end, you can get it for complete clarity about the businesses. Okay, this is not only for discussion of like clicking of this, no. Okay, for every transaction, what is the purpose, why the business is doing that? Okay, so this is a global marketing. So we don't want to hide how the Oracle supply chain management demand is there. I am the trainer. I will be telling that it's a very high demand. No, you also searching for the market. What is the highest positions and which ERP is the best ERP? You can also search from your end. You will get some idea about how much demand it is there. Okay, so I don't want to promote it's a very high demand. You know about that. You all know about that, how to get it for the demand ERP applications and where we can search and how many openings are there. So what is the upcoming demand? If I am joining for the Oracle SCM, what is the upcoming demand? Okay, there is a lot of AI tools are coming into the pictures. Lot of application changes are coming into this. Okay, based on the some other integrations related, lot of things are coming into the pictures. Everything we'll discuss on this course. Okay, this is a small brief introduction about the application and what is the supply chain management and how it is working. So for that, what we are as a functional consultant, what we will do it. So we will do it only for setups. We are doing for only setups. No coding required. There is no coding required. As a functional consultant, you need the setups and do the test cases and submit to the business. That is what our main functionality. But your setups is always be dependent on the business, not for your individuality. Okay, so you take the requirements and what is their locations and where their warehouse is there and who is the suppliers and what is their purchasing process and everything. You need to get the information from business and do the setups and coding related. If any reports are like integrations, okay, technical team is take care about that. You are not involving anything on this. Okay, we are doing only for setups with the conditions. There is a conditions. Okay, we need to use that conditions. So this is what the brief introduction about the course. The course duration is 45 working days. So working days nothing but Saturday and Sunday. Saturday and Sundays we are not engaging the sessions because we are the software professionals. We always be following with the software instructions only. Okay, software employs instructions and as well as for the reliefs. Okay, if you want to be a more additional sessions on this, so Saturday and Sunday, if anybody is okay with that, we'll do it. Okay, course duration is 45 days and the training timing is 8:30 to 9:30 or 8 to 9. So basically we are started with 8 a.m. to every day 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. from Monday to Friday. No Saturdays. Okay. And the course fee is 20K. Okay. No installments, nothing. Okay. Don't expect it for the installments. If you want to pay single time, then I'll give it for the discount on this, but there is no installment from this batch onwards. Okay, we have a good experiences by using the installments, but now I don't want to encourage that installments. Okay, if one time I will be paying for this, so Monday onwards the batch is started. If one time I'm going to pay this, then I'm giving for 50K only. It is only one time. Okay, so if you want to pay 20K, then again 10,000 is now, 5,000 is remaining, not 5,000. Again 10,000 is for once inventory or procurement module is completed. I don't want to encourage that, but use this if you are good at for this training, or you want to be ready to engage this training. So use this. Okay, that's what the final discounts. Don't go with the complete discounts. What we will provided to you. Okay, server access up to 1 year. Okay, and recording videos, video access, lifetime. Okay, then so job assistancy also we are going to provide it. That's a different mechanism. We'll discuss on that later. Once you enter the training, how the job process and everything will see. Okay, if you have any doubts or queries regarding this, okay, so please reach out for that number, contact number. I'm already engaged that 72072451101. This is the contact number. Okay, so this is what a brief and complete introduction about the supply chain management. The modules we are going to discussing this. Okay, purchasing, inventory, order management, product management, and costing. These are the modules we are going to dealing. Okay, so some technical related things also we will discuss on that. Okay, so I'll be sharing the syllabus copy for tomorrow. I'm going to explaining what is the syllabus and which module is coming into the first. Based on that, what hierarchy setups are coming into the pictures, and how to create user logins in the application level. So how to create a implementation project. Implementation, nothing but Amazon is ready to take for our Oracle supply chain management application. How we can start with that. That is called implementation project. So how to create implementation project. Tomorrow we have one more demo for the same time, same link. If anybody want to join, so please join for the same link. Okay, 8:30 to 9:30, same time. Okay, any doubts on this?
Excuse me?
Yeah.